Hello, hi everyone, myself Sanat. I am a mechanical design engineer. Welcome to my channel MechWord or Mechanical Word. In this video, I will be explaining you about one of the powerful designing software by the name CATIA. Using this software, we can create any model, maybe simple to a complex one, by using a part design workbench here, and we can save it with the name individually, and also we can assemble the model that we have saved to a required position by using a assemble design workbench here. And also this assembled model can be converted into a 2D drawings by using a drafting workbench here. And also we can also create the mechanism for the assembled model. This is the mechanism that I have created for this model by using DMU kinematics workbench. And also sheet metal component can be done here by using a generative sheet metal design workbench. And also we can do analysis, that is structural analysis for a model. So this is the model that I have created, and I have given the material as aluminum for this. When the load of 10 Pascal is applied on it, this is how the deformation is taking place. I have applied a load at this 4 point by giving a support behind it here, and also we can find out the stresses, maximum and minimum stress, and also we can get the values here. This is possible using generative structural analysis workbench. And also we can create any complex model by using a surface workbench here by using generative shape design. That is, we can create a model with less time. So this is just an introduction about the software. In the coming videos I will be explaining you about each and every workbench, that is basic thing in depth. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below this video so that you will get notified of every video that I upload. When it comes to CATIA, it stands for computer aided 3-dimensional interactive application. As you know that earlier the model were created manually by using these instruments, and the problem here was it was taking too much of time to create a simple model, and the human error can't be controlled here. So in order to avoid this, they started using a software, that is with the help of computer. So this abbreviations is going to say you that with the help of computer we can create a 3-dimensional software using this interactive application. We say this as interactive as it is going to give you a desired output only when the proper input is given to it. And there are different versions of CATIA starting from V1. It was developed in the year 1981. Earlier it was developed mainly for aerospace industries, and later it was adapted into automotive, industrial needs, and consumer needs. And currently V6 is the updated version in this CATIA, and I am using version V5 R19. Here R19 refers to a release 19, that is, it is just an update in version 5. So this is all about the CATIA. I hope you understood this. If you like this video, click the like button below this video, and also you can share to a person who is in need of it. Thank you. See you on next video.